Insta has unveiled its latest compact action camera, the GO Ultra. This new model continues the detachable design of the GO series, but now features a squarer body with each side measuring 1.8 inches. It weighs 53 grams, maintaining its ultra lightweight and portable nature. The significant enhancement is its brand new over 1.28-inch sensor, which is over twice the size compared to the Insta Go 3S sensor. This upgrade promises significantly better performance in low light conditions. In addition, the new Go Ultra can now record in 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second and take raw photos up to 50 megapixels, so it gains very good capabilities. In addition, its built-in 500 mAh battery lasts up to 70 minutes, according to the manufacturer's official figures, which can be extended to about 200 minutes with its action pod case, which also functions as a kind of charger or portable battery and also contains the preview screen. The camera is waterproof up to a depth of 10 meters and can support micro SD cards with a capacity of up to 2 terabytes. The new Insta360 GO Ultra is now available with prices starting at $449 in the United States. However, keep in mind that prices here might differ from those in other places. This camera can be bought at various physical retailers, and it is also available in the official Insta360 online store. If you're interested, the link is below in the description. Let me know in the comments. I'm curious about how you would use such a small and versatile camera, as most of us use it for, to attempt recording close-up scenes. In fact, please let me know whether you prefer using a camera lens specifically designed for these close-up shots, or if you favor using these small cameras that can easily attach to your clothing with some accessories.